Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to open snaps on Snapchat Wave. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to open snaps on Snapchat Wave, first what you need to do is head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar simply type in snapchat.com/wave. Then once you're inside the home screen, simply log in with your Snapchat credentials and log into your account. Now Snapchat Wave is fairly a new feature and mainly supports chatting and viewing. So in order to view the snap, all you gotta do is tap on view, and here all you gotta do is tap on the new snap. And once you're inside here, you'll be able to see the snap or view the snap on the Snapchat Wave. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.